Join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me. The Scalar function. SQL Server Scalar function takes one or more parameters and returns a single value. Okay? The Scalar function help you simplify your code. For example, you may have a complex calculation that appears in many queries. Instead of including the formula in every query, you can create a scalar function that encapsulates the formula and use it in each query. Okay, so the scalar function will return a value. To create a function, I think it's not very difficult. Okay, so let's go. Create function and the name on my scalar function, so scalar function, okay, with parentheses with a variable. So for the variable, let's type Batman with, for example, Bashar 2000, and we put a second parenthesis to close the query. And for a scalar function, we must to type returns for the Bashar 2000, and let's write the has like a story procedure, begin and return. For the example, just the substring with the name of my variable that I declared before, Batman. Example, just 1 and 3, and the end. Begin, when you have a begin in transact SQL, sorry, you have always a end. Okay, remember this, begin and end. So for now, we told it each time we call this function, it will do a substring of the value in Varchar 2000. Okay, that will start with the left value at the start of the string, so the one here, so, and who is going to stop at the third character on the right. Okay, so let's create the function, scalar function, and you see that the scalar function is in the programmability, section, function, and scalar valued function. Okay, so my scalar function is just there, dbo scalar function. Okay, so how I am going to call this function? I just do a simple select. So let's run the select with the schema, dbo, and the scalar function. You can see that's very simple to call a function and the parameters we want to give it. For example, Marvel. Let's run the function and we can see that the substring of we stopped at mar, M-E-R. Okay, so it worked fine. So, okay, so there you go. In this demonstration, we created a scalar function that will return a value relative to a given string of character. Okay, and if we put, for example, just a null, it will put a null. Okay, so know that if you put a null in the scalar function, it will put always a null too. Okay, so let's go for the next demonstration.